According to a rumor from analyst Jeff Pu of Haitong International Securities via Mac Rumors, the regular models of the iPhone 15 will include 48MP primary cameras, which would represent a significant camera increase. These new, higher-resolution sensors, according to Pu, will be 3 stacked sensors with improved light-capturing capabilities for brighter and better images. They will replace the iPhone 14's current 12MP primary camera. If this is an update, hopefully it will be included in both the regular iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Pro models, since this technology doesn't seem to be employed on the 48MP cameras now available in the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. One concern with the 48MP sensors used in the regular iPhones is if Apple will let them to use the whole 48MP resolution. Unless you switch on the 48MP ProRAW mode, which is a bigger picture format better suited for editing, the iPhone 14 Pro's default shooting mode is now just 12MP. Apple has so far restricted ProRAW mode to just its Pro iPhones, however. We wonder whether this means Apple will eventually provide a normal 48MP picture option for non-Pro models to utilize, or if they will always be limited to 12MP, as the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus are right now. As Pu emphasizes, there is another matter to take into account. To satisfy the anticipated demand for the iPhone 15, Apple's manufacturing partners are apparently having trouble producing enough 48MP sensors in sufficient numbers. The launch of the iPhone 15, or at least some of its models, could be delayed if there is a supply chain constraint. We can only hope that the iPhone 15 series launches in September as usual, with each of the 4 anticipated models present and accurate. The iPhone 10 and the iPhone 12 series, which both debuted in October of their respective years, are examples of how Apple has pushed back its launch dates in the past when necessary. We can anticipate more than just camera improvements on the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max whenever the next iPhones are released. All models could get a slightly rounder form for a more comfortable grip, and the Pro Max might have an upgraded telephoto camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.